Welcome to 8505 Santa Cruz Road, Atascadero, California. This beautiful custom home is situated on 4.25 acres. It has 3 upgraded bedrooms and 3 baths. When entering this property, one feels that they have escaped the hustle and bustle of today's craziness and have become one with a serene and calming space. The living room is a very comfortable open area to relax and take in the incredible mountain and oak tree views from the large picturesque windows. The hardwood oak flooring gives the rooms a very clean look. This open floor plan lends itself well to entertaining. The kitchen is spacious, lots of storage, new upgraded appliances and granite countertops. Walking downstairs, one can play pool, relax or even get a workout in. Down in the bonus game room, there is an inside laundry room area, as well as an abundant amount of storage. Now for the backyard. Talk about a wonderland. There is IPE decking on all 3 sides of the house, with a stamped concrete back patio. There is also a side patio with a fire pit and artificial putting green for the golfer of the family. This amazing property has a new roof and new rain gutters. The detached 2-car garage is oversized with lots of room for toys. There is also an additional storage shed next to garage. Call today and schedule a showing. Thank you for taking our virtual tour. Have a nice day.